up everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I decided to do something with my hair because my hair has been so dry lately, and for all of my curly girls that know what I'm talking about, when you have your hair in a bun for the entire week, your hair starts to become dry, the ends start to get all poofy and frizzy and just like it just looks crazy. So anyways, so I'm back with another video because I wanted to come on here and basically show you guys what I will be doing to my hair. But let me kind of give you guys a close-up of what my hair looks like. Jesus, look at this. It just looks very like dry. It looks very like coarse. Like, what is going on, Courtney? But yeah, so I wanted to come on here and show you guys a before and after. So this is before. I had it, ow, it's so prickly. So what I want to go ahead and do is cut open this aloe vera plant. If you guys don't, this is actually my first time trying this. You know, your girl ain't got no pants on, so if y'all see some booty, I'm sorry. Okay, so let me kind of tell you guys what this aloe vera plant contains of. So basically it repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. I really don't have dry scalp. I feel like my hair is very oily, so I don't really have a problem with that. But it does repair dead skin cells on your scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. And it also says it promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Since this does condition your hair, I'm going to go ahead and leave this on my hair for about an hour. Yeah, maybe an hour, and then rinse it out. It says the best form of aloe vera to use on your hair is the raw gel of the plant. Rubbing aloe vera into your scalp and hair and letting it penetrate your hair follicles could condition and improve damaged, dry hair. Guys, my hair is dry. I wouldn't say it's damaged because I haven't really been putting heat in it, but my hair is very, very dry. And it also says, after letting it sit for an hour, rinse the gel off with mild shampoo. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do, and I'm gonna basically show you guys a before and after of what my hair looks like. Guys, I really wish you can feel this hair. It feels like Rumpelstiltskin. I don't even know what Rumpelstiltskin felt like, but if Rumpelstiltskin had a texture, this will be it. Okay, so let's hop right into the video. Woo! So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut off the sides of the plant. Whoop. Actually, I'm going to cut off both sides of the plant. Oh, this knife is kind of dull. Guys, be careful. Don't cut your fingers. Okay. Let that slide right on off. You feel me? Guys, this is my first time ever doing this, so do not judge me on cutting this aloe vera, please. So we're just gonna peel it back. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna peel it back. So I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna peel this part out and then take that brown out. Like take this part out, keep that part, and put this on my scalp. So this is what it looks like in the inside. Let's cut this out. I don't want to waste any product, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this. So it looks like this, super dry. Literally nothing in there now. You guys see that? There's no aloe vera in there anymore. So it's all in my hair. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do with the plant, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the rest on my ends, like rub it all throughout my head. don't worry guys, I am going to part my hair and finish the rest. But to be honest, I hate the way it smells already. Ugh. I really do. I don't like the way this smells. You can already see my hair starting to get like very moisturized. Who texted me? That can wait. Guys, you can already see like my hair kind of like getting very moisturized just by using the aloe vera. Okay, like I said, I don't want to waste any product. And then we're gonna go in the bathroom. Well, actually, we can stay here. I'm gonna part my hair in 4 and show you guys. Ew, this stinks. Oh yeah, put it all in there. Okay guys, so I don't have a blender, but this is what it looks like, right? Wait, let me try this. That is disgusting. I'm just going to go ahead and squish this. You guys hear that? FYI, this is the ghetto version. So guys, if you have a blender at the house, please blend it. I actually gave my blender away like an idiot. I don't know why I always give things away. Like, I be putting other people's needs before mine. Okay. So guys, it should, you know, this is what it looks like so far. But I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys in the bathroom so we can do this together.
Choose your fighter. LAKEY inspired. Fight.
Guys, I highly suggest you to blend it. It'll be so much easier. Right now, I'm kind of like dipping my hair in the bowl. So guys, this is what before looks like, very dry, coarse, you know, brittle. Oh my god, it just feels weird and just doesn't feel good at all. And this side, it feels moisturized. I can feel it softening up. I don't like the smell of the aloe vera. Here's my ends. Okay guys, so sorry if it was like the video was kind of everywhere because it was hard for me to put the aloe vera in my hair with there still being like chunks and stuff inside. So I would highly suggest you guys to blend it. Like I said, I didn't have a blender. But yeah, so this is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for about an hour. But guys, as you can already tell, like you can see the moisture already beginning to lock in my hair, and it looks very like healthy, you know, compared to it the other time. It was like looking dry, you know. So when I did put the aloe vera in my hair, I had absolutely no products in my hair. whatsoever. But yeah, look at that, guys. It's just like moisture. Oh, you see some chunks in my hair. Yeah, don't do that, guys. But yeah, look at that. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do, guys, just ball my hair up, put it in 2 buns, and let that like marinate in my hair for an hour. So right now it's 3:44. I'll be back on here at 4:44. Okay guys, so now it's time to rinse. After I let that aloe vera gel sit in my hair for about an hour, I can already tell a difference in texture. My hair is so much softer than it was before. It looks so much more shinier than it was before, because before it was very dry and brittle, and now the aloe vera just looks like it put so much moisture in my hair, and it also gave it a lot of shine as well, as you can see in the video. So I am just going to go ahead and rinse the aloe vera gel completely out of my hair. And then next I am going to use a co-wash. So guys, the reason why I'm using a co-wash, because I did wash my hair 2 nights ago and I didn't want to dry up my hair. So a co-wash works just as good as shampoo. It has absolutely no sulfates, no parabens or anything like that. And it's infused with coconut oil to nourish my curls. Also guys, I want to say, when I used to brush my hair with the Denman brush or even a vent brush while I'm in the shower, I used to get a lot of shedding. Literally so much hair will be in the brush. Now that I am taking better care of my hair, I get little to no shedding at all. And as I'm brushing my hair just feels so soft, guys. I did let the conditioner stay in my hair for about 3 minutes. You're supposed to let it sit in there for about 3 to 5 minutes, the co-wash. I am just going to go ahead and rinse it out completely. Yeah guys, that basically ends this video. Overall, I love the way the aloe vera gel made my hair feel. As you guys can tell that there is a huge difference in my hair. It definitely feels way much stronger than it was before. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll definitely be back with another one. If you do like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys soon.